the stock wheels like, oh my god. What is it? It's too bad. Oh my god, look at the truck.
Oh wow.
Even the Jeep, look. Oh my. The truck is cool. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys just saw in that last clip of the 370Z looking all colorful, well, I'm putting together the f80 water pump. The bolts came in, so it's one piece now. Tomorrow I'm gonna be trying to take off these 4 bolts, and I'm gonna spray them black so they don't rust. And I'm gonna try to get the pulley off with the snap ring plier. Welcome back to the video.
Right now we on the mission to find some snap ring pliers. And we haven't had no luck with the mid pipe of the M3, so right now I'm kind of taking a break off of it. I'm like just taking a breather. I'm gonna be working on the M3 water pump, waiting for a couple gaskets. They're almost here. I'm trying to find the pliers right now to take the pulley off and put into the new one. So that's where we're going. We're gonna go check O'Reilly's, and then I gotta go pay my rent. So ran into another problem. One of the pulley bolts fell. Oh my god, I cannot catch a break today, or in general. So I'm gonna have to see if I can order that. The good thing is the gaskets came, and I got the snap ring pliers. So we're gonna try to take this pulley off right now really quick. So that's some good news. I went a good year without no issues though, so I give it props. And I just did oil changes. And for the record, the owner that I bought this car off of did tell me the water pump was wobbly. So, I mean, he told me. Okay, so right there you can see the ring. I'm gonna take that off really quick. Okay, so update, I got the pulley off. I am missing one of these bolts, like I said. I don't know what happened. I think when the pulley got loose, it must have, something happened though. I'm gonna respray these because, dude, they're all hella rusted. Let me show you how the other one was. So I was looking at the water pump and like, yeah, this shit was cooked. So I guess these have play. Eventually they get play and it just gets shot, I guess. Because I have seen other people talk about this, but looking at the pump, it doesn't look too hard to do. I think I could do it. Like one bolt right here, one bolt right here, one bolt right here. This one will take off the top. One bolt right here. And then we'll have a new thermostat, so I don't have to take the thermostat off, just disconnect it from right here. And that's it. I just gotta figure out this bolt. If I could buy new bolts, I'll just buy new bolts. I know they're not that expensive. These pliers were pretty dope. Got these at O'Reilly's. They were 15 bucks. Those are 3 set. Recommend them. I'm gonna start pulling out this water pump. It's the only time I have right now. It's like 8 in the morning. So let's get right to it. I'm on the mission to get this whip running again so we could go to LA. I already broke loose this. It's gonna be the first one. Thinking that I'm gonna release these 2. So I'm gonna go da da, and then this will all be loose. Then I'm gonna release this one, and I'll probably be able to just pull this up a little bit, have a little more space. I might go get a monster. Also got these 2 little last gaskets that I needed. So those are in. I don't need nothing else but that last screw that you saw in the last couple clips. This one right here, that I found out what size it is. So everything's going pretty decent right now. I'm making sure I put every bolt where it goes so I don't lose track of it. I just put this one right here. Now I'm gonna start breaking these off. Like ding, ding. It doesn't look like there's many. It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then the bracket one. Got another one down. All right, 2 down. Got this one and this one. For this one, I just had to use my little gold little ratchet with the extension with a E8. E8. Going pretty quick. All I have to do now is this one, take the bracket, and then disconnect this, and I think everything should come out easy. I don't know. It's going pretty quick. Okay, I took the bracket one off right there. Like I said, everything's going pretty quick. Now I'm gonna take off this one. Or maybe I'm just really motivated to like get this car going again. Because I do plan on selling the Z maybe and like building a RSX Type S or a TL Type S on the channel. Go back to my roots a little bit. I've even considered doing a TSX again, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to go back to that. I could get like a 08 this time, like the newest one. Third one down. I'm gonna be trying to get this one. All right, on the very bottom bolt, like down here, just have patience and crack it sideways. Trust me, it's there. Just have patience. It's giving me a hard time. I got this off now. You just pick this up, and then with the, like, I use this. I basically went like this, and I just went ding, pulled, and then to pop it off, I use the flathead. Like, same thing. I angled it right here, and I went da, and I kind of pulled it this way with my right hand. Got this off, all the bolts off. Now I just need to take this off, disconnect this, and then there's like one more down here. So I'm getting closer, but it's not as easy. I mean, it's easy, but it's not easy. Oh my God, I got it out. Was it a mission? Yes. But it is out. And I didn't take too long. I got out here at 8, 9, 10, almost 3 hours. Not too bad for doing it the first time. I take this hose off, put it back, and then I gotta pass over. Oh, and then I gotta take this off, and then I could junk this, and then put that back on. Break time for real.
Here's a random little EG. I thought I'd take a picture of it. That should look clean.
But damn, if you're doing it yourself, I mean, it's doable. They were quoting me like M54 God was quoting me like 700. I mean, I just did it myself. If I could do it, you could probably do it, but if you don't really know what you're doing, then I'll probably just pay. Honestly, it was a little hard. And then I didn't go under the car. Some people I saw went under the car and took off the oil cooler and everything. So I did it a different way, but it worked. So yeah, but I won't lie, I messed some things up in the way that I have to replace. On this little connector on the water pump, the little clip went flying. I don't even know where it's at. I'm gonna try to find it. If I do find it, well, then I got lucky. But if I don't, then FML. And then this little hose was hella brittle. It connects to this intake pipe, but it looks like you can take it off, so it might be replaceable. I might just buy a new one, and then it goes right here. Hope this helps someone. I'm learning as I go, and I bet you could do it too. I passed over the lower radiator hose from the old one to the new one. Now we have to pass this over to that. It looks like it's stuck as fuck though. So let me see if I could do it. Bang it a little bit, if you know what I mean. I think it's aluminum. I don't want to hit it too much. That's just to separate it. It looks like it did. Okay, it's separating right there. Now you're gonna put your flathead. You're gonna go ding. And look how the water pulley was. not supposed to be like that.
What do you think caused that?
The design. And it, with time, it's gonna, you know.
So do you think this is going to be something you'll constantly change?
No. I do think that if you own the car, at least once you'll change it. Like one time. This one went out at, I think it's at like 117 right now. So it looks like it's the original. So I think it got pretty good. I seen some go out at like 50, so. This is trash. I recommend you guys take your time. This is the part where I say, please like and subscribe. And then I'm gonna put everything back together now. All right, this clip right here is just for me to remember how the bolts go. So one. Just got home from work, mission success. Took this little bung thing out of that right here. That's the reason why I haven't put it on yet. That was on the old water pump that sat right here. I was able to get it out with some with these pliers. I just kind of wiggled it around. I didn't even end up using the hammer. Tomorrow I'm just gonna clean that really good and then slap this back on. Oh, thank God. I was stressing a little bit. The new one is on. This will be the last clip of before everything is put back together, and here we go. 1, 2. Actually, don't you guys think it would be so cool to have like a chrome valve cover on the M3? Like, imagine this could fit. Imagine it would look so sick like that. Hella random, but just saying. All right, everything is done. The car's back together. I'm just gotta put that pulley back on, and then I'm gonna order this Friday, the hose that broke from here to here. But the water pump's on, so I'm probably gonna end this video right here. If you guys liked it, shoot a like. I'll probably finish off that and I'll put it into the mid pipe video. I'm gonna get back to trying to put that on. I gotta try to take the undershot off. I'm gonna try to cut them from over here. So I think I'm gonna end it right here. Show some love. M3's almost back. Can't believe it that I did it myself. It was a mission, but not really. Nothing too crazy for me. Show some love. Late. Shout out to everybody that watches. Shout out to California if you're out here in this beautiful state that you can't have modified parts. Hello. But yeah, late. Please watch the next one. Leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I know this video will get a lot of likes and a lot of comments because there's no other water pump for the S55 like there's no other video for the S55 for the water pump, so it's gonna be the first one. Hopefully it works. We're gonna see what's up right now. All I need is coolant to turn it on, and then after that we're gonna get back to the mid pipe, take it to LA, get the crank cup done. Try to push like 500. I'm probably gonna put a stage 2, and I don't know on these if you have to unlock the DME or not, or if it's just Beamer. I think it's Beamer code, or I forgot what the tuner is called, but I think you could just put it to stage 2. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm gonna try to go stage 2, hit 500, and just take care of all the maintenance. I'm almost done. That was basically it. And oh, I gotta fix my AC. It's starting to get hot. So that's about it.
yeah, late.